Want your junk journal pages to look softer, older, and more beautifully vintage? Here are 8 easy ways to give your pages that warm, aged look without making the process complicated. First, start with tea-stained or coffee-dyed paper. Plain paper can look completely different after adding a little tea or coffee. The uneven stains, soft brown tones, and aged edges instantly create a vintage base for journaling, layering, pockets, and tags. Second, use torn paper edges. Instead of cutting every piece with perfectly straight lines, gently tear the paper by hand. Torn edges add texture and make the page feel more natural, worn, and handmade. Third, layer different kinds of paper. Mix book pages, floral paper, plain tea-stained paper, handwritten textures, envelopes, and small paper scraps. Layering creates depth and makes a simple page feel richer and more interesting. Fourth, add vintage-style tags, labels, and journal cards. Small paper pieces are perfect for filling pockets, creating focal points, and adding places to write. Choose muted colors, faded florals, antique frames, and softly aged designs so everything feels connected. Fifth, use lace, fabric, and ribbon. A small strip of lace or soft ribbon can completely change the feeling of a page. Add it along the edge, behind a paper layer, on top of a pocket, or tied through a tag. Sixth, choose muted flowers and natural details. Soft roses, dried flowers, faded leaves, and botanical images work beautifully in vintage journals. Try to avoid colors that are too bright. Dusty pink, cream, beige, sage green, and soft brown usually blend together beautifully. Seventh, darken or ink the paper edges. You can lightly add brown ink around the edges of your pages, tags, and cards. This creates shadow, depth, and the appearance of paper that has aged naturally over time. Finally, add a few special finishing details. Wax seals, charms, clips, keys, buttons, and small metal embellishments can make the journal feel more personal and complete. You do not need many. 1 or 2 carefully placed details are often enough. When you combine stained paper, torn edges, layers, lace, flowers, and aged details, your journal begins to feel warm, textured, and full of history. The most important thing is not to make every page perfect. Let the materials overlap, leave a few rough edges, and allow the journal to feel handmade. Start with what you already have. Add 1 vintage detail at a time, and enjoy watching your pages come to life. For more printable junk journal kits and beginner ideas, check the links below. Happy journaling!